the hell is this? This isn't the 45 I ordered. Somebody's gonna get bitched at today. Yeah, customer service, you guys messed up my order. I specifically requested a nickel-plated Colt 45. Instead, you sent me this cheapy beepy Fisher-Price ass toy.
Guess I don't need the shitter anymore.
I'll take an entire pallet. Bro, can you tell your ex to stop sending me feet pics? Alright, that's much better. Alright, come on, get up. Get up. Alright, dickheads, you're gonna go to the storage closet, grab some candles, and illuminate the entire apartment. If I see even one dark corner, I'm gonna smack the piss out of both of y'all so hard you'll see 8 of me. Now come on, let's go, double timing. But yeah, bro, tell your ex I'm not interested.
Any last requests? Damn, you got taste.
Yeah, I prefer obituary.
Whoa, where are the lights?
I work for the IRS. Taxes. Okay, go, 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 go. We might have paired the wrong group. This used to be a peaceful bedroom. Hey Siri, remind me to burn the remain. Out of all people, out of all beings, you bring Invisimidget back into our home? Oh, I see. So y'all want us to fight again, is that it? Yeah? Well, it's not happening, so find your freak show somewhere. Ah! Yeah, you like that, huh, squirt? Get your ass in here. All right, give it to me straight. Edward or Jacob? Jasper. What? Dog, if you keep breaking my...
This curly-haired man-child expected a smooth-sailing zip
Who
line
recorded that?
until the instructor
Shut it off.
subverted those expectations.
Wait. That's not funny. That's not funny. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Hello. I said enough. Bro, can you hurry up and pick a damn movie already? And it better not be Brokeback Mountain again. damn it, I'll pick it myself. What'd you wish for? Oh, I hope I don't get hepatitis. Yo, we watching Breaking Dawn or what? Now that's how you mop a floor, goddammit! Good job, homies! Pay them their wages. They've earned it. Unlike some other freaks. You hear that, jackasses? That living room better be spotless if you want to get home on time to your families. Chop chop, let's go! This is not a union, let's go! Yeah! Hey yo, this is Bread and Butter Productions. Shout out to my dad for not pulling out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Si dia stelula. Quam ego minut coresu. Sursum mundum udanta. Sicut ias Michaelo. Dog, for real? Are you seriously starting an apocalypse in the middle of a studio session? Let me finish the verse. The hell I am! Get out of my studio! Ah!
The hell you will, huh? The hell you will? Lofus Casem Sandwico!
Tremendum Bancum Pistachio!
No. It's my turn to pick the movie this time. Bro, you and I both agreed we would Marathon Predator first. Yeah, and just like that franchise, it becomes shittier and shittier each time.
You're welcome.
Alright, come on, let's go! You got this, Gerardo, don't let us down! Come on!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, kiss my ass, paralysis, your boy's going down! That's it! That's it! Come on, you crazy stallion bastard! Do it! Yeah! Hey, it's a good day today, boy! Good thing you slipped him a sugar cube to boost him up. You only give him one, right? Uh-oh. Hey, yo. You might want to haul ass!
My girlfriend's so moist right now.
Bro, what the hell is taking the exterminator so long? He's been in there for like a minute. It's only a few bugs, bro. Hey, yo, Chief, what's the holdup? I'm not running a hotel under this bed. What's the matter? Having trouble speaking? Here, let me give you a hand with that. Oh. I'll dump the van. I'll be back in about 3 hours. Bro, let's go! I said hands off! I told you to drop it, didn't I? Bro, stop playing. I didn't hit you that hard. Bro? What have I done? What have I done?
And the Oscar goes to
Bed Monster! What? Bro, that's
This is Bed Monster's first
my performance was
nomination
top
and
quality
first win.
compared to that I lost 2 pounds for this role! Man, this, I'm going to the Kids' Choice Award. What's up, you got a staring problem? Something on your mind? The hell are you looking at, bitch? Oh yeah? Well say it in my face then, mother... Oh hell no, you done lost your damn shit! That's it, I'm gonna beat the piss! No, don't hold me back! Don't hold me back! I'll pack those fingers like a can of sardines, bitch! Alright, just to make sure, this is half of 30 milligrams, correct? I'm not gonna start tweaking or see Nicolas Cage's head on a koala or anything like that, right? Alright, bet. 30 milligrams, huh? That doesn't seem so... Those are 2 extra zeros. Oh, fuck!
Hey, how's it going? Can I get 20 beef burgers to go?
I think I just figured out the secret. That reading sucks balls! Let's play Nightfire! Hey guys, I know the secret! What's the hurry? I only need a few moments to execute your timely demise! You bitch, a homo bitch! Come on now, you godless scamp! You cannot hide in the dark forever! And God said, let there be light!
Hey, sorry again for shooting your wall.
No harm done.
Hey, y'all can stop fighting. We actually worked it out.
Oh, by the way, I'm a part-time